In this section, we'll cover 4 topics. One is comments, other one is multi-line comments, third is mathematics operations, and fourth is modulo. So first see comments. So we'll create a program bi math.py. Okay, math.py. So first of all, don't forget to mention the shell user bin python. Okay, now for comments, for single line comment you can put hash and then your comments here. So what is the meaning of comments? Basically, comments we add in the program to explain about what I am going to perform in this section. So this is for the information purpose, so that if someone else or even I read after some time, I should be able to understand the program quickly. Okay, so one question sometimes comes in, that why in the shell we put hash in the first, I mean, will it not consider that as a comment? No, that's a standard practice and it works only for the first line. If you declare the shell in second line, it will not work also. Okay, so this is hash is for single line comment. Okay, now suppose you are having multi-line, you want to add some more story, like in one line it is not sufficient. In that case, what you can do, you can write this 3 times and then this is multi-line, okay, comments, and then close it with 3. Okay, so this is absolutely fine. Now I will just give the execute permission here, change mode plus x and then math. Okay, just execute this. So we didn't get any error, means that is working perfectly fine. Okay, now we'll see some of the math operations. Okay, now come back to the document. So suppose addition you want to perform, so you just add 2 numbers by this. This is the syntax and it's very easy to use. I will just copy all these things in the program. Okay. And then now what I will do, I will just print them. Print addition, print subtraction. So I will just print 2 of these. Okay, so let's see what happens. You can see output came. So addition was 72 plus 23, 95. Subtraction 108 minus 204, it means it will come in my negative. So this is how we do the mathematical operation. Okay, and we, after doing that operation, we can store those values in the variables and we can print it, as well as if we want to use it, we can use it as well. Okay, so let's print other value as well. Print multiplication, print division, and print 8. Okay, so the last one, okay, I forgot, missed to explain this. What it is doing, it is basically 2 to the power 3, 2 cube. I am calculating 2 cube. Okay, so that's why it is the output should be 8. This is just for in identification, I have written like that. So now let's execute the program and you can see that all 5 output came. The last one is 8, 2 to the power 3. Here to calculate the power, it can be anything. Suppose you want to calculate 2 square, 8 square. So if you want to calculate 8 square, it should be 8 star star 2. So like that it works. Now the last thing, modulo. What is modulo? Basically modulo tells you the remainder. Okay, so let's directly use it. Okay, so suppose we are having modulo just okay 4 divided by 3, okay, what will be the remainder? So print modulo and we'll see what comes. Okay, so you can see that remainder came 1 in the end. So like that you take different example for the practice and you can find out. In as we go on, this is the simplest thing. As we go on, we'll make programs in my later video, and I will show you also how to use these mathematics operator, store value in the variable and use it any other places. So we'll go through all those things in other video, in other chapters.